Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will cover one more scenario for OVRDBF command where we will retrieve the data from the file using star KEYB. So before we discuss program, let me show you the data that we have in our file. So this is the file testpf1 that we are going to utilize for this demo. So I'm doing run query over it. So you can see that we have 5 records here from 10 to 50 and user ID and username I keep same. So now we are using star KEYB, which means key before. So let's say if we are passing value as 30 for key before, then what it will do, it will set the pointer here, means at the 30, and then it will read for the before value, which is the previous value, which is 20. Okay, so this is how KEYB works. If the value is set as 40, then it will read for 30. If the value is set as 50, then it will read for 40. So this is how KEYB works. So let's see this thing how we can implement inside the program. So I'm taking program in edit mode, and here you can see firstly we are declaring the file. So for declaring the file you can use DCLF, then you can pass your file name and the library name, which is testpf1 and Sharmit1, then hit enter. After that we are using OVRDBF command, so just write OVRDBF and press F4. Here you can pass the file name and library name like testpf1, Sharmit1. Then do page down, and here in retrieve order we are using star KEYB, which means star key before. Next field we need to pass the number of key fields. So as of now we have only one key field in our physical file, so I'm passing it as 1. Below to that we need to pass the record format name of the file. So this is the record format name testpf1, and after that we are supposed to pass the key value. So it doesn't matter your key is of numeric type or character type, you need to pass inside the quote only. So just write in this way, single quote, then 2 spaces, because my digit it is a 4-digit value, so I just keep it as space and 40, and then close the single quote. Now do page down. If you want to specify any scope, you can pass here. From this list you can select any of the scope. Okay, this list you can take by pressing F4, and then you can press, let me specify the things. Yeah, so if you don't want to select any scope, then you can simply leave it as a default value, then hit enter. So once this line got executed, we will receive the data after it. So RCVF, and then whatever the value we have received after overwriting the file, we will print it. So for printing we are using sndpgmsg send program message, and then we are passing the value. If your value is of numeric type, you can pass it directly. If your value is of numeric type, then you need to convert it to character using %char built-in function. Otherwise you can pass your value directly. So in second case you can see that we are passing the value directly because username is already of character type. So after printing the value, we are again deleting the override. So just write DLTOVR and pass your file name. And if previously at the time of start overriding the file, if you have specified any scope, then you need to pass it here also. Otherwise you can go with default value. So let's see the output. So you can see the value we have specified here is 40. So it should return 30 because we are using KEYB. Yes, it is returning 30 because we are using KEYB. So this is how we can utilize OVRDBF command with the star KEYB attribute. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.